आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सॉल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello students, today question is let M belongs to N and CR equal to NCR for G where R is less than equal to N and greater than equal to 0. Then they given statement 1 by M factorial of C0 plus N by M plus 1 whole factorial of C1 plus N into N minus 1 whole divided by M plus 2 factorial into C2 up to n into n minus 1, n minus 2 up to 2 into 1 whole divided by m plus n the factorial which is equal to cn, and then equal to this whole function equal to m plus n plus 1 into m plus n plus 2 up to m plus 2n whole divided by m plus n factorial. This is statement 1 we have to prove, and then the statement they are given for r is less than equal to 0. Therefore, MCR and NC0 plus MCR minus 1 into NC1 plus MCR minus 2 and NC2 plus up to MC0 into NCR equal to M plus NCR. We have to prove this one. Okay, students, let's move to the answer. First, I am going to take the statement 2. First, I am going to take the statement 2 here. Okay, students. MCR NC0 plus MCR minus 1 into NC1 plus MCR minus 2 into NC2 up to MC0 NCR which is equal to M which is equal to M plus n into CR. Okay, students, let's we have to this one we will get this answer. Now the coefficient I am going to take here the coefficient rule. So the 1 plus x whole power m into 1 plus x whole power n which is equal to the base are same, so I am going to add the power value. So 1 plus x whole power m plus n. So this is the formula. So this is the concept we are going to use here. Okay, students. Now here the c value is r plus 0. Okay, students. This is we have to add this term. So r plus 0 equal to r. This is the range here. So the difference here r minus 1 plus 1. So 1 cancel r value. Here r minus 2 plus 2, so 2 cancel r, so the remaining value for r value. So CR is common, right? So here CR is common here. So CR is common here. So if CR is common, the power value I am going to add it. So here m plus n, here m plus n, m plus n, everything m plus n. So it is equal to m plus n. Okay, students. So this is the value you have to add, and power value you have to add here. So the value equal to NCR divided by M plus N into CR. So the statement 2 is correct. Okay, students. Now I am going to take the statement 1. Statement 1 now I am going to take here. Statement 1. In statement 1 what they giving is 1 by M factorial 1 by m factorial CO plus n by m plus 1 C1. Okay, students. 1 by m factorial into C0 plus n by m plus n the factorial into C1 up to get we will up to that we will get here. So you are going to find the answer. Okay, students. So the value equal to I'm going to multiply and divide it by in the numerator and denominator by n factorial divided by m plus n factorial. I'm going to multiply and divide it here. So the values became m plus n the factorial divided by m factorial and n factorial. into C0 plus m plus n factorial divided by n minus 1 factorial and m plus 1 factorial into C1, and then up to it will come from last. Okay, the last state. Next, I am going to keep the n factorial divided by m plus n factorial as it is, and then I am going to return this one as m plus n cn. Okay, students, n plus n into n, and then here n c0 we will write here. This c value I am going to write here plus here m plus n c n minus 1, and then n c1. So it goes to up to last. Okay, students, so here n plus 1 into cn I am going to return here, and then m plus n cn minus 1. So I am going to return these statements here. Okay, students, now I am going to write the coefficient rule here. So I am coefficient rule 1 plus x whole power m plus n into 1 plus x whole power n, which is equal to the base values are same, so 1 plus x and the power going to add it, so m plus 2n. Okay, students, 1 plus 2n we will get here. So I am going to write the above values equal to n factorial divided by m plus n factorial into, I am going to write this in format. Okay, students, because the base values are here n plus 0 equal to n, n plus 1 plus 1, n minus 1 plus 1 equal to n, so the base values are same, and I am going to add the numerator. Okay, students, so c of n and then power value equal to m plus 2n. Okay, students, m plus 2n. Then I am going to write keep as it is n factorial divided by m plus n factorial. I am going to write m plus 2n cn. I am going to write as m plus 2n factorial divided by n factorial and m plus n factorial. Okay, so this is what I am going to return like this. Here n factorial, l factorial will cancel here, and I am going to expand this term. I am going to expand this term here. M plus n plus 1 into m plus n plus 2 into m plus n plus 3 into up to m plus 2n, the whole divided by we will get m plus n factorial. Okay, students, so here this is the right term we will prove here. Okay, students, so the statement 1 also correct and statement 2 also correct. Okay, students, so the statement 2 is the correct expression for statement 1. Okay, students, thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।